Okay guys, so we got a 2005 Mercedes E-500 here. We're going to be under the driver's side. I've already done this, so I'm just going to show you the way that I did it. Right up under the driver's door, jack it up, and directly underneath the oil pan is a 13mm bolt. I cracked it loose and I drained it in here. Now this car has the internal oil filter, very easy to get to. It's right here. If you got strong enough hands, you can turn it counterclockwise. I use this wrench here. And I unscrewed it. It comes out. It's a stem about from here to here. The filter slides on it, and there's 3 washers that you'll replace that will come with the filter. Very simple. I just pulled it over my pan and I slid it off. It just pops off. That filter can go on either direction. Pop it back on, tighten this back down. Once you get it snug, turn it about that much, get it tight, and then turn it that much so it seals that new O-ring. Now this asks for 7.5 liters, which ends up being almost 8 quarts. Just throw 8 quarts in it US. So we'll go ahead and put the lid back on now, and that's it. Now we'll go in and we will reset our engine light. If you need to know how to do that, I just did it. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and you can clear that check engine light too. So and a cam sensor and a crank sensor if you need those. So thanks a bunch guys, and as always, enjoy.